It's getting hot. Okay, this is the first one. Over this is the bearing is bad, so the sound is. This is the second one, very noisy. This is a hover photo. See the sound? Probably these are bad bearings, friction here, sound. Okay, this is the first one. Half photo. Okay, imagine for a hover it is with this sound. Half photo, right? Again, hover photo, about 50%, 40%. The sound is largest, okay? This is the fifth one. Oh, this one is even. Okay, this is a 30% photo. The sound's largest. This is the sixth one. Okay, to conclude, these motors are not usable because the bad bearing, I would imagine.